To make sure the job's done right the first time, you can add a checklist of work requirements, which field staff can complete in the app. Tasks which include the word photo, like take a before photo, will automatically open the camera in the app. To add to your checklist, just click, type, and hit enter. If you use the Forms add-on to complete paperwork on site, you can search the name of the form to add it as a requirement. Similarly, if you use the Asset Management add-on to catalog and manage client assets, you can search an asset type so the technician knows they need to service all matching assets during that visit. Or you can search and select an individual asset so the technician knows which specific one to work on. Click here to edit the name of your checklist, and here if you want to add another one, such as when you want multiple checklists to separate a job's requirements by category, stage, or areas of work. To change the order, just drag the top bar and drop. You can also drag and drop tasks within a checklist. To assign a task to a specific staff member, click here or here. Assigning can be handy for job-related tasks that need to be done off-site or before the job, such as picking up parts. Once a task is assigned to someone, they'll get a ServiceM8 notification, plus the task will also show in their Tasks menu, in their Tasks job list, For My Review, and in the Tasks tab of their dispatch board. If needed, you can also complete tasks here or directly in the job card. If you assigned a task to someone, you'll get a notification when it's completed. To set a reminder for a staff member about a task, click here or here. For example, you could remind whoever starts navigating to the job to remember to pick up keys first. Or a reminder on check-in or check-out, like to lock the door or clean up. If you assign a task, you can remind them at a specific day and time as well, and it'll notify that person when it's due. It's also easy to create and manage checklists in the iOS app. You can add new tasks, set reminders, and assign tasks. You can create multiple checklists and drag and drop to reorder. The big difference is the app is designed to be easier to complete checklists rather than edit them. So tapping a task will either complete it or open the camera, form, or asset. To edit an existing task, you just swipe to the left. To systemize and instill quality and consistency across all jobs and technicians, you can preset a checklist in a job template. Then, when creating a job, you just select the template and the checklist is auto-populated instantly. Alternatively, if it doesn't make sense to systemize it just yet, you can copy a checklist from another job. Just click Copy, open the new job, and paste.